Ebushama mama akwaba and found Ghana TV GH message or like, comment, subscribing, then notification also on so that anytime you post a video, say we are with some bekebi. Ebusham for anytime you make a voter asem na makuma emi. But mean to me Jai Council because I am a region. No, that is my region. That's where I am coming from.
Let me also say that His Excellency the President's second coming to power is a revival for the Volta region, because when we lost power in 2016 and went into opposition, the development of the Volta region went into coma.
I love Volta. Volta is the most beautiful region. Urban vegetation, the most beautiful over the whole of Ghana. Volta region. If you don't believe it, come and see. But my people. John Mama His Excellency, about Volta region have for 2 days. Now, in fact, Arabian king. They say a case only power Arabian king. A developing a living Arabian king lifestyle. Look no further. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and I'm telling you why. He came to this region at the end of the first day of a helicopter back to Accra. And I called that Accra. Second day, helicopter back to Volta region to do his tour. Every region, your regional residency. Now, regional residency, it is a regional minister will stay. And when you go everywhere at every regional residency, they make provision for where the president of the republic will sleep when he comes around. So why would our president decide to take a helicopter, the man hour, the amount of fuel, and amount of all those things? Doesn't care about it. Go back to Accra and return the next day. But that cry, and no cry, this way. Now, Volta Regional Minister, Honorable James Gunu. Sorry. If I'm a dog bello, a dog benawe, I go voice say there. Honorable James Gunu was able to look at Ghanaians in the face, Voltarians in the face, and say in a microphone that that Volta region, a development in Volta region has stalled for the 8 years that NPP was in power. Honorable James, really? And for James, Yantepe, Yantepe yang glory sigba. And will for James, all the Volta region le file. Onyanywere. Benova development. Nave mowe. Kiwo wale Volta le file. Have mowe. Golokwati mowe. Hokwe mowe. Ho mowe. Soko de mowe beti NPP we onyanywere be agenda 111 hospitals we kele Volta region le fi ko le tutude ewu de ka ambe o mandre ro menyi akachi plito beti ole ekoji to le fimi ekoji no po development eto 80% ewe onyanywere. Because as a regional minister, you are abreast or they give you feedback on now report we onyanywere adakulu youth resource center ke adakulu oton wa sports le fimi ton fodu le fimi oton anu vo le fimi Akufo Addo ya etui NPP ya etui echikenono echikenia no bete Mekawe, Akufo Addo adakufiawe no favi bere yo dichi edidi siga adakufiawe oponu emi akegbe efo James omenya US phase 2 onya US phase 2 nwederi akoko to ba to dem a microphone nkumela globeri no mo jogole be development store le Volta region 80 enuka wo party to le Volta region a whole market menya NPP etuwa enuka wo party to in fact a whole Kenya miape regional capital file municipal assembly ken eno mi asi no yo be kukulo pome ya no yo ake egbe ni kliwe me have municipal assembly structure ke me no proud of olafi be nuka development store le Volta region 8 years naka we mi na be koji regional hospital ke minyan Trafalgar egbe nya whole teaching hospital onyankawa onyanle mi expand services onyanka teaching hospital wa onyalo improve am salary cry efo na menu fuore minyan mi le politics walo ke sometimes mega jumi ame kumesigo menyo do me fi minyo o se menama ebusan for me se munti ase but very important message when it gets to unim aigbeni bia who they send the video mom they will understand. Yeah, very important to me. Right? And see that. And I'm not going to say we will resist you. I will not waste my time on say resist you. And see. Tell them no and see. I'm telling you, say, and this ni bia out me bia no tie me. If you have any money to steal it today. Because 2029 NPP is going to return. Yeah. Nobody thought say NDC will return into power after 8 years. And yes, because we were thinking, say, no, because even the project Akufo Addo was doing alone, we didn't think say Ghanaians would still romance with the idea of bringing NDC back. But today, I'm seated here, I'm in opposition. So look, John Mama, His Excellency, if you like, do everything. Still, tell them, you will not get it. Bawumia is the next president. The earlier you make peace with this, the better for you. And for your mama has made another appointment. And they say the appointments to the Supreme Court in Nano Ababeye 10. Let's go to the next thing. Ebushanfo. Oh no. No, this is not what I wanted to expand. Okay, I hope so. You see it from here. Ebushanfo, I'm having this document from Minority in Parliament. Okay. Now, the document, I don't know if you can read from here, but it is government must publish a full breakdown of the 10.92 billion reported expenditure on the Accra-Kumasi expressway. SBB says that third term if you can't get your part. Ghana Madiba may say it is just wild. They are flirting with that idea. It's just crazy. Ray said, why are you wasting your energy on third term when JDM specifically said he will obey the constitution? I'm wasting my time because you are flirting with the idea. That's why I'm wasting my time. Otherwise, tell me why you are appointing 10 judges to the Supreme Court of Ghana in just 18 months. Tell me, explain to me, what is the end goal? Kalianko Assembly so, Ekadakwa for power tapping. For Ekadakwa is one of the hosts of Fat Base Network. And when I go there, they treat me well. Except when Amma Williams is the one hosting. Don't go and tell her that I said that. So let's go on the matter. Ento Assembly so. Ebushanfo Akufo Addo aban ehun say Accra to Kumasi road no. A very, very, very busy way. Okay. So because of that, government, even before Akufo Addo, I realized, I think 4 times, I realized, say, let's do, how do you call it? I think diversions. Okay, let me just call it diversion. The actual word that just escaped me. So that where and when the road is passing through a major town and that will cause traffic now, let's divert the road. A bypass, that's the actual word, a bypass. And that is what Kufo started. Atamnos attempted, and Akufo Addo came and did much out of it. John Mahama, His Excellency, comes, and NDC government, and they say, oh, there be, some bypass, they add then a bypass. We want to start a fresh road from scratch from Accra to Kumasi. My friend, expressway. I say, but wait, you learn to crawl before you start learning how to stand and how to walk. And we are sure say on my kron Ghana, there was sky a fresh expressway from Accra Accra-Kumasi. And this is for so you was scar after all Akufo Addo time no more spend this can or moody talk gold. And they see what my no say we are using to back our currency and stuff. And it was scar. Now I say okay. Eti Jomama, you will watch for all the accidents. Yeti de say SCO Accra-Kumasi expressway. And also sir until the time you Jomama you finish your expressway or say Annie and you see okay. That's it. Ebusian 4. Government audited accounts aba. Now government audited accounts ni muno. Accra-Kumasi expressway nye gata ba kumpu kwan no ho ye. Hey, ready bwani po. Jesus Christ. Accra-Kumasi way no, expressway no. Gata ba kumpu 1 meter, gata 1 meter mpo nye. Abai no say we spend 10.92 billion cedis. That was our expressway ni ho so far. 10.92 billion. Enye million, billion cedis. That was our road now. But you see, God being so good. God being so good. Last week, Ghana Armed Forces. Soldier 4. More social media branch and all those things. They released a progress report on the work they've done so far. Ewo Accra-Kumasi expressway no. And in that progress report no, the Ghana Armed Forces revealed say ejuma no afe na o ma clear kwan say ohonina a forest enti they have now cleared 50 kilometers. No, I mean 89 kilometers of road. Not that they've started the leveling and stuff for their view. Like ohonina a bush enti omudi I kind of say an excavator. There's one that they used to scratch the thing and to mark clear 89 kilometers of road. 89 kilometers no, about 50% of the entire road. Expressway now, 89 kilometers, just about 50%. Enya fa asphalt baku nko hoye, gravel baku nko hoye, cement baku nko hoye, cement npo baku se nko hoye. And the clearing of forest no kwa 10.9 billion Ghana cedis. What do you call dollars ma? It's basically about 1 billion United States dollars. Hey! Ebusia. Ekwa ya clear no. Enra ya clear no kwa na ye 1 billion United States dollars. So minority in parliament. Bisa say, abai, we die. Debbie, somebody we ask campo and yes, sir. No, how can you steal money this way? At least wait for the project to finish. Now, if you are clearing road keke, and clearing a kwano keke, not kwano, clear numpo, 10.92 billion. And I'm saying you want to hold wow. Hey, so Bushan 4. In fact, I remember somebody came on my live in 2024 before your election, and the person said something. Or see, say Ghana for your mistake. No mutu abama NDC4 will come and teach us how to chop money. No, we not even know Shenko. Ebusian 4. Kumasi Accra expressway. I see Akala Keke. 1 billion United States dollars. 1 billion now, and can be expanded now from Accra. The current road assistance can be expanding from Accra to Kumasi straight. Yeah, I say they are clearing trees. They use it to clear trees. For John Mahama His Excellency is in Volta region. In my region, I'm a Voltarian, 100% Voltarian, and I'm so proud of it. I'll finish in the next 5 minutes so that you can join. My main topic is Camila Semnonti. Don't worry, I'll go there. John Mahama is in Volta region and is commissioning Assembly Hall. John Dramani Mahama His Excellency in Volta region is commissioning Assembly Hall. He's a Mampeni John Mahama. A movie car from Accra.